matter plays its game right now. Solids stand so strong they never bend or break, like rocks and tays and cakes upon a plate. They won't pour, they won't flow, they hold their shape so great. Ice is solid, cold and bright. Blocks and bricks stand firm and tight. Push them hard or tap them slow. Solid stay, they won't let go. Solid, liquid, gas, oh well, matter changes, watch it now. Heat it up or cool it down. Science fun is all around. Liquids flow and change their form with ease. Pour them gently, watch them dance and tease. Water, juice, and milk all move just like